Okay, so this is the greenhouse. Today we have inaugurated the greenhouse, right? And what we are doing is, we have been collecting a lot of plants in the last few months, and now that here the monsoon is setting in, and also it is becoming hot and humid. The sunlight is also hot, so it is very important to have a greenhouse. So what we have done is now all these plants, we are now propagating them, particularly the chrysanthemums. So when we propagate and put it in pots, those we have to keep it in such kind of an environment where you have the light, you have the humidity, moisture, you have water, but not in abundance, so that they can grow strong. And sometime around August, September, we can take them out, we can repot, or we can make flower beds out of it. So come, I will show. So this is one, creeper rose. This is the creeper rose. It will go along this structure, and then we have the other keeper. Come. Okay. One is the home minister, one is the external affairs minister. Okay, keeper, come. Let's go and let's see the greenhouse. Okay, come. So this is the greenhouse. We have used this net with about 75% UV protection. So come in. So these are various pots that we have been propagating through our plants, and now we'll be putting them across. We'll be do some weeding. After weeding, we'll spread them across so that they will get the kind of sunlight that is getting. You can see now 75% of the sunlight is reduced, and we have decent light and the moisture, and at the same time it is not 100%, it is not scorching. So all these plants, that is the hope, we'll be carrying them forward to sometime in August, where we will repot them. Well, we have a lot of, so earlier in the video you saw a lot of hibiscus. We have hybrid hibiscus, and some of them we are also propagating. Different colors we have, very exotic colors. And now this is we have oranges, we have guava. There are 2 guava trees, then we have mangoes, and now we have picked up one sweet lime plant that will be growing. Then we have a lot of gerberas, but we want to add on to our collection of gerberas, which will be potting again. And then we have started growing cardamom. So there is the cardamom here is growing. So we can come this side. So this is cardamom. So it will grow maybe another 1 or 2 years time, right? Skipper, come. How is it? See? There you are. Right? Okay. Come. This is one of my favorite vegetables. So we have been eating from our garden only for the last few days. Yeah. So this coconut tree actually is one of the finest coconuts I have ever tried over the years. This is quite old actually. It was planted by our grandmother, our late grandmother, and this is one of the sweetest coconuts, and also the inside the fruit is also very tasty. So every year it grows in abundance, so we're very fortunate. Other creepers, again the spike gourd is growing up, it's climbing in the wall. So this is also a spike gourd climbing. And then we have the lemon. So there is one particular very flavored lemon, it's the Assamese lemon. So this is here actually. There are 2 plants growing up here, and very soon the fruits will come. Right? And we have one kind of what you call bean. It's a very local. It's not French bean. It's a different kind of green beans. So it is growing. It grows in the creeper. So we have put all this bamboo, structure for the creepers to grow. Okay. papaya is growing, so we can come this side, you can have a look. So as you can see, this whole greenhouse, we have made it from bamboo. So it is quite, what you call eco-friendly. So it is completely, it is bamboo we have made. Now come, I'll show you the papaya. See, one unique thing about our compound is that we have lot of, devdarus across the boundary, and inside also, for the main structure of the house, to give shadows, we have put some devdarus here. And I'll show you the papaya plant now. This is the lemon, it will grow now. In another perhaps, a few months time, it will start growing. And then this is the bean. Very soon we'll have the long beans, these are long beans actually. And here we have the papaya. Papaya is growing. So these are also a local variety of mango. It is growing now. Very soon we'll pluck them. And this is quite sweet actually. This variety is very sweet. This is a star fruit plant, This is only about 6 months old. So hopefully in another 2-3 years it will grow and start, yielding the fruits. Yeah, you can see, we are growing cucumber also. Lots of cucumber we have, so all our salad comes from our kitchen garden only. Green chilies in the garden. Thank you so much for watching our homemade video of our home. So the whole purpose is that actually with a lot of enthusiasm, we are trying to, work on the garden in terms of the flowers and different types of plants that we are collecting from across the state. And also, we are trying to create a system in our kitchen garden where most of our day-to-day intake will be coming from our own compound. So towards that, this is only a work in progress. We have just started, and now the greenhouse is ready today for our flowers and our plants, and the kitchen garden. Various kind of vegetables we have been growing, and as we go ahead, we plan to grow more vegetables. And also, we are trying to set up a pilot project for hydroponics. That is what we are working on, and very soon, we'll be setting up our hydroponics, pilot project, where we'll be growing a few vegetables like tomatoes and lettuce and capsicums. So as I said, that is this is a work in progress and a labor of love. So we'll keep posting, we'll keep updating our exciting journey, as we, trying to develop a, sustainable kind of existence.